Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can perform the hard reset of your HP speaker. Okay, so what we have to do, simply power on our speaker the first, and then we are going to hold the power button and the volume down button until this indicator turns off, then start blinking, and this connection just disappear. So let's make it right now. Click and hold these buttons at the same time and keep holding. Okay, as you can see, the connection disappear and we perform the reset. So right now when I'm gonna tap on the speaker, as you can see, I will get here the new pairing request. So it means that the previously connection was removed from the speaker and right now we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.